welcome back once again to Rob's Homemade and Sunday Recipes. And today we are going to the Caribbean. We are making Barbados chicken with rice and peas. And maybe a bit of salsa, I don't know yet, we'll see. But definitely Barbados chicken, rice and peas. So let's get into the ingredients for the paste for the chicken. So we have 2 washed and clean chicken breasts, our sea salt, cayenne pepper, peppercorns, the juice of 1 lime, and I might even chuck the lime in anyway, see what happens, ground cinnamon, thyme, half of an onion diced, and good old extra virgin olive oil. So that's it, that's the ingredients for the paste. I found this recipe in a Weber cookbook, and I've just, like I always do, just turn it round, get rid of things, add things to it, make it my own, and see what happens. So let's get into the marinade. So for the marinade, we have our bowl, and we have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil going in, closely followed by the red onion. You can use white onion, you can use what you want, entirely up to you guys, whatever you prefer. I just prefer that little bit of sweetness from the white onion. 2 tablespoons of thyme, if we can get it open. Let's just whack it out. 2 good heat tablespoons of thyme. I love the smell of thyme, it's one of my all-time favourite herbs. Black pepper, so a good few twists of this black pepper. Well, it's actually mixed peppercorns, but it just adds a bit of something different. Whatever you've got, whether it's black pepper, mixed peppercorns, anything will do. So that's the black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. So we're just gonna go with a few drops. If you want it spicier, make it spicier, guys. It's entirely up to you. We have also 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You don't want a lot of this stuff because it can get very, very potent in smell. Some sea salt, about a teaspoon of sea salt, and then the juice of 1 lime. So I need to grab a knife quickly, guys, slice it, and I'm back. The juice of 1 lime, nice big strong squeeze of lime juice. You can add anything extra you want to this. You can add jalapenos, you can add ground allspice, you can basically add what you want as long as it's got that Caribbean theme to it. So there we go, 2 lime. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Add just a touch more olive oil, just to loosen it up a bit more. And there we have our Barbados marinade. So in go the chicken breasts. And it's time to get your hands in, guys. Get this chicken thoroughly coated in this Barbados marinade. Get it all in there. Get it coated. And this is going to go into the fridge for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours Overnight's better or just as good, but we're just going to leave this soaking in that marinade for at least a good couple of hours, guys. Get it clean for you. I'm just going to wash my hands. Give them a quick dry. And there we have it, guys. Our Barbados chicken marinating nicely. So happy days. So I'm going to get this covered, get it in the fridge, a couple of hours, happy days. So I'll see you very soon. Right guys, our chicken has had a good 2.5, 3 hours marinating these lovely spices and everything else. Just look at that. 2 gorgeous Barbados chicken breasts. Right, so what we're going to do, smell amazing. I'm going to get these into some foil. I'm just going to parcel them up like a little parcel onto the tray. Get the rest of that onion, everything on there. Wow, yes. These are going to go in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Traditionally, this would be done in Barbados, probably on a barbecue, but this is England. It's cold, it's wet, it's February, so these are going in the oven, and then we're going to grill them just to char them off a little bit. So here we go. Gas mark 7 for about 35-40 minutes, and while these are cooking we'll crack on with the salsa. Right guys, now on to a very quick salsa. We've got half an onion, couple of tomatoes, juice of half a lemon and lime, salt, vegetable oil or olive oil, and a drop of white wine vinegar, salt and pepper, bang, done. So I'm going to speed this next bit up so you guys don't have to stand and watch me chop vegetables, so don't worry about it. Cue the music. There we have it guys, our tomato, onion, citrus salsa. I would have added pineapple, but we didn't have any and I forgot to buy some. So unfortunately it's not, but I would add pineapple to that normally to make it a nice fruity Caribbean. So there you go, salsa made. So we'll see you at the next step. Right guys, the next step is the rice and peas. So we have a builder's mug about half full with washed rice, a can of kidney beans all washed and ready to go. So we've got our boiling water, get in there. So in with the kidney beans, go and grab our rice, and in with the rice. Give that a stir, and then hopefully in about 10-15 minutes we will have beautiful rice and peas. I'll see you in a sec. Right guys, the rice and beans are on. We have opened up the chicken in the foil and put it on the grill to get a lovely little bit of charring on there. So hopefully this will work and it'll look amazing. Smells absolutely fantastic. So after this we will be near enough ready to plate. See you at the plating. Right guys, it's time to plate our Barbados chicken. So we're just going to slice all the way down. Right guys, the rice and beans are on. We have opened up the chicken in the foil and put it on the grill to get a lovely little bit of charring on there. So hopefully this will work and it'll look amazing. It smells absolutely fantastic. So after this we will be near enough ready to plate. See you at the plating. Through the chicken, perfectly cooked, still juicy. Then slide onto the plate. Give it a bit of a fan effect, if I can, around the edge of the plate. Get this juice off the board. Don't want to waste anything. Bit of juice still in the tray, the foil tray we used. So we'll use that and all. Get rid of that. Get rid of the board a second. Let's get everything into play, guys. There we are. Barbados chicken sliced. So we're going to have a good spoonful of refreshing onion and tomato salsa. The top, followed by generous helping of rice and peas. Get rid of this lot. Over there. Bit of a tidy up. Get rid of these bits. And there we have it, guys. Our Barbados chicken with tomato and onion salsa and rice and beans. All good in the hood. So there we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Easy, simple, quick, awesome. So I'm now going to sit down, tuck in to my Barbados chicken, salsa, rice and peas. Happy days. I'll see you all at the next one.